G'day traders! The closing bell has just rung on a day that turned from a buy the dip dream into a grip of reality session. While Wall Street gave us a green lead, the ASX 200 couldn't hold the line as the RBA and fresh domestic data brought us crashing back to earth. The ASX 200 opened at a peak of 9,200.9, but it was all downhill from there. The index closed down 1.34%, or 124 points, to finish at 9,077.3. This was a violent rejection of the highs. RBA Governor Michelle Bullock didn't help, warning at the AFR summit that March is a live meeting for a rate hike due to the oil price shock. The 2026 rate cut dream just hit a wall. The most painful part of today, the things that were supposed to protect you got liquidated. Drone Shield, DRO, the defense darling of the week, was sold off aggressively, tanking 7.5% as traders scrambled for cash. Even more confusing for some was the gold sector. Despite gold bullion holding its value, the miners were used as ATMs. Northern Star, NST, and Evolution, EVN, both plummeted around 4%, while Newmont, NEM, fell 2.02%. When the safe havens get smashed like this, it's a sign that the market is deleveraging everything. Energy was the only sector in the green today, and it wasn't just Woodside. While the index lost 124 points, the war premium set the energy board on fire. Woodside, WDS, gained 0.79% to 30.48, but the real story was in coal. Thermal coal prices spiked 8.6% overnight, sending New Hope NHC up 7.37% to a 52-week high of $5.10. Yancoal YAL surged 4.85%, and Whitehaven WHC rose 3.15%. In the fuel space, Ampol ALD rocketed 3.17% as supply fears at the Qatar LNG plants sent global gas and fuel futures into orbit. The fundamental data was just as ugly. Building approvals fell 7.2% in January, with apartment approvals cratering nearly 25%. We are heading into tomorrow's Q4 GDP data with a massive housing slump and a central bank threatening to hike rates. Strategy: protect your capital. The 9,000 level is the next line in the sand. I'll see you at 8:30 a.m. Check the disclaimer, this is getting real. This is Oz Stock Watch.